So let's go through the rules. Everyone likes rules, right? So 5 minutes. You got to spend 5 minutes of training every single day. Now, 5 minutes really doesn't take long. If you time it on your phone, you will. If you time it on your phone and didn't check, I guarantee you do 15, 20 minutes of training without realising. 5 minutes, set a timer. I split mine into sessions, so I do 2 minutes, play, finish with a bit of play, tug, 2 minutes, finish with a bit of play, tug, and then 2 minutes, and that's me done. 5 minutes every single day. If you can do 3 5-minute sessions a day, you will see a massive improvement. And I'll tell you what, everybody walks their dog every day, or most people do. Just take 5 minutes off the walk. Do it during the walk. That's what I used to do. I used to walk my dog separately, and one of them was a puppy, so I would take them out because the puppy can have shorter walks. So I would take the adult dog out, do 5 minutes of training, then go for a walk, and then swap over, 5 minutes of training, and then go for a walk. Or sometimes I take the puppy out and just do 5 minutes of training, and bring them back in. 5 minutes every single day. It's much, much better. You'll see so much more success than if you try and cram it in and do an hour on a Saturday. Because if you miss that Saturday, for some reason, you'll feel bad and you'll feel guilty. And then it starts to rack up. It's like not going to the gym. You think to yourself, oh, if I don't go on this Saturday, then fine, I'll catch up the next week and the next week, and you delay it and delay it. Whereas if you miss one day, it's fine, it's 5 minutes. I can always fit 5 minutes in, even if it's just before bed or whatever it is. 5 minutes every single day. The next thing is you've got to respect your magic word. Everyone's got a magic word, right? No. So, magic word. This is your magic recall word. So, you've got to have 2 types of recall. You've got to have an informal recall, which you use all the time, which for me is, come on boys, this way, just trying to get their attention, I'm leaving, I suggest you follow, I'm looking around the corner in a minute. You've got to have an informal recall that you use all the time. But your emergency recall, your special magic word, you have to respect it, and you can't just start using it. You can't come to one of my classes, come back from today and start thinking, right, every time the dog's distracted,